Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to change the opacity of an image using CSS. As you can see, I got two images here. So this is the actual image and this is the exact same image after changing its opacity. So this is what we're going to achieve in this video. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. I already got an image file here, image.jpg. Let's create an index file here, index.html. Let's have basic HTML structure. Add a link to the style sheet. It will be style.css. Here we need a div element and two image elements. Delete this part. Source will be image.jpg. Now copy this and paste it here. Give it a class op. Save it. Create style sheet here, style.css. Select body element. Background color will be brown. Select div element. Margin top will be 50 pixels. Display will be flex. Justify content will be center. And gap will be 50 pixels. Select image element. Give it a height of 300 pixels. Same goes in case of a width. Border will be 1 pixel solid black. Border radius will be 5 pixels. Save it. Now open this file in the browser to see the output. So this is the output. Now it's time to change the opacity of this image. So let's go to code editor. Here, select the OP class. Now to change the opacity of an image, you have to use opacity property here. Its value should be between 0 and 1. So let's make it 0.5 here. Save it. Now go to browser. So this is the output. You can increase or decrease the opacity depending upon your requirement. In case you set it to 0, it will be completely invisible. So let's do this. Save it. And you can see it is completely gone. So I hope you understood how to achieve this. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.